Hello everyone, today I want to share with you a small tutorial on how to use Polylang and the display conditions in Cwicly to avoid multiplicating your templates. So here is my website. We have one version in French and another in English. So if you can switch here to switch language. No. Okay. And so here I have my header and my footer, and I will show you just with these two parts how to use the visibility conditions. So my header is in my fragment. Header. Okay, so you can see here I made a mistake at first. Duplicated. I have one French header and I duplicated to have an English header, same for the footer. But this is not the right thing to do, and I will show you how I change and I will show you how to do correctly. So here's my header. I have the two are on top of each other, so we can't see, but I have my English header here and the French header is just behind. So I have my French nav here, and I've set a condition with post term equal to French, the other one English navigation with post term equals to English. And that's it. I did the same for the footer. Okay. I can show you. Yes, I can. Okay. Footer. So here is my French footer. Okay. I have a visibility condition with post term equals to French, and same for the English footer, visibility equals to English. And I've made the same trick for every template. So, for example, here is archive templates. I'll show you this one because I also work with ACF Pro and CPTs, and I have a CPT for summer activities, and I'll show you this one. Okay, so here is my template for my activity, and I have the two templates. A French template I've put in a div I called French, and another one English template. It's exactly the same. Obviously I changed the words to translate it in English, and I have a condition here. Oops. Okay. English div condition post term equals to English, French div post term equals to French. And now we can go here in our site. I can go to an activity. Okay, summer activity. Okay, I'll choose one. We are in English. Okay, this one I have my English template displayed because I am here in the English version of the site. If I switch to French, okay, I have here my French template for this summer activity, and that's it.